Welcome to my adventures in acrylic fluid art take 2, the Dutch pour. I have no idea what I'm doing here. It takes so much time to set up to do like a 15-second Dutch pour blowout. I sped this up. The whole video is only 3 minutes long, and most of that is just looking at the finished product. But I have become obsessed with doing cells or all the beautiful colors you can get with acrylic paint. It seems like an easier process than resin, but it's much more of a build-up beforehand. I'll just say what colors I'm using here. I have Amsterdam Titanium White, Liquitex Prism Violet, Liquitex Naples Yellow Hue, and Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta. I learned how to do this by taking Olga Sobi's masterclass on acrylic painting. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing with colors. I just thought these were pretty together. Don't know transparent over opaque, what works, what doesn't. I'm adding a little bit more white here. I have about 5 finished paintings. This is an 8x8, and I have about a dozen tiles that were also another experiment. And that's pretty much it. 3 passes with the blow dryer, and it's done. I don't think my lines are thin enough. Olga's recipes thin out the paint a lot, and I'm getting massive blowouts, but I still do have some negative space, as they call there, and I thought that these colors did turn out pretty, and there I am pretending, knowing what I'm doing. I didn't like the white blobs, so I just dragged some of the color into the area. It worked okay. And because her colors are so thin, they don't tend to run off that much. But this is, it looks easy, but it's not. Like I said, it's a lot of prep time, a lot of drying time for like very few moments of just the pleasure of blowing out the colors. But as you see there, there's tons of cells. No silicone oil was used. It's just the layering of the colors that caused the cells themselves, which is something Olga teaches in her classes. I'll put a link below to her classes where you learn a lot. But that's the finished piece right there. I will be selling these sooner or later. I'm pretty proud about this one. Even though it's probably not perfect, it's a pretty good attempt. A for effort, I think. I usually love black backgrounds and dark colors, but I think this one turned out pretty.